Eya. No, eya. But yadana nyankopon say Prophet Sowah akasa. Prophet Telvin Sowah wakasa, the catalyst man. Na ensema all canon very deep. But me ma follow no. Na after England match, a man for bashing say ne prophecy na memo say ne massa. So you be a follow Prophet Sowah na say the catalyst man. Waka che Ghana for nyina say hwe na obi amfa the prophecy anko cha bet. And besides, or ye video be or say 100010 watragu ne bat house 100010 because ye change your coach no affected the catalyst situation for Ghana Black Stars. Semi-finals now ye be drew no ye change coach na nyoma eden adane anunti as it stands no nia ewo mu nie na mpanimfo bia behu ni say onye ho bibi ma wo Emma me kram be video kase there be so for ye mpanimfo no mu deserve say ye bibi boa team because e kwa mo fa so manage team no tan yawo ba me no ka say obekire mu de ntia enra England match no amanfo akofa ne videos bi e di twa na chi say o ka say be colonize England ye be show mu ne nyoma misro ansa na be gina prophet bi anu masem so akotwa bet no enkope video a obi content creator bi atwa ba bi kitwa bi adane the narrative compare the whole video eshe ansa no take decision.
Now lecture 101. Number 1, let's go to the very beginning of the prophecy.
Okay.
December 12. December 12, somewhere around that area, there's a prophetic decree. The prophetic decree stated that Ghana, we will colonize England.
Yeah.
Straightforward.
Exactly.
No two ways about it. The prophetic decree came with a condition. Initially, I said, Ghana, no, the way the prophetic timeline is going, it is not an easy thing. So we will create a branch of time that brings us victory. That's where the victory of Ghana began. Exactly. So Ghana will colonize England, blah, 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 blah. We've said that that's where we began from. This is how we'll deal with. That's even the first prophecy.
Exactly.
Nothing more, nothing less. That's what is going to happen. We're going to colonize them. And then that brought our morale back. Ghana is going to colonize England and everything. Now, a lot of people assume that when I say colonization, it means we are going to win.
Okay.
That's how they assume it. So, now, in a very, very simple statement, I use the context very clearly.
Exactly.
We'll colonize England. We'll colonize the coach. They will change. They will bring other players in this. We'll colonize the players too. We'll colonize the prince. Will call. Yeah. He will say, "What is going on?" We'll also colonize the king. The king no match nibi. Is it part of the scoreline? No. But then you see, it's a statement to show that we will put them to shame.
Exactly.
Because in their aim and their mind, they came there to come and in Ghana. They say, I mean, where are we going? We are not even winning against the small deals. From African Cup to now, we've had our biggest downtime. So Omobaya to come and trample on us underfoot. Even people in Ghana, nobody would even believe. Say we can even keep a clean sheet, a clean scoreline against England. It's not possible. Yeah. Look at how we just draw the match and everybody's jubilating. The whole world. I say Alpha World Cup. No.
I say you are too poor.
Yeah, and the excitement is massive in the country. This is what I mean. We have, and did you check the England airlines around the world? Yeah, the Black Stars of Ghana has tamed the 3 Lions of England. Exactly. Black Stars of Ghana has stopped England. Black Stars of Ghana frustrates England. Exactly. Black Stars of Ghana has put a stop to the England race. All sorts of headlines. Exactly. The whole world is holding our name. How come?
National platforms.
How come? England has the most deadliest players in the world as we speak right now. They are bench crowd. We are not even close. You watch first match. They've given somebody a 4. Not a joke. Then we come. We hold them like they are nothing. Look at how many. Look at the penalty. Look at the penalty they didn't give us. Yeah. They rob us the penalty. Exactly. They rob us clean penalty. It is in front of everybody. Everybody could see empty pole. Our player even that could have even been a goal, but then it was hit by another player.
Because who renowned referees are.
Everybody's talking about it. Yes, the whole world is talking about it. It's a clean penalty. Everybody knows a penalty. That thing I spoke about it. Say they will organize a penalty, but penalty better than in. We will turn the penalty because we will hold the line. Exactly. And when I'm saying we will hold the line, what line do they think we are holding? We will hold the fort. We will hold the line. English, a very simple statement. But now let's go. Now that prophecy was from somewhere 2025, 12 December. That time, Otuado was there.
Okay.
After the prophecy, I came back to tell you people, say, this is what we are doing. Don't change anything, because this is called the finished principle. Ghana will go to the World Cup unappreciated, but out of the ashes, we will do what? We will rise. Obia out against all odds, we will rise. That is the beginning of the prophecies. And then the catalyst breached. Those things have been changed. New coach has been changed. That's when I came back to say, hey, but the changing of the coach and all that situation that has happened, this is the situation we have created. We have created another lineage of oppression. This one is called the harder the fall. In this principle, this is the matches we are going to play, the score lines. This is the 3 matches. 1-0, 0-0, 1-0. That score line is on the board. And then you told me, say, scoreline analysis are not there. What do we? Now you are talking about. I think I posted this video, and that was even later. I mean, last month. I think the 1-0 was from April when they changed their coach. Exactly. That's when that scoreline even hits the target, the public. Until now, you've realized that there's a breach of catalyst, and I've taught the way my chairman. I've taught you people. It's not the will be Obishi and come in. Then the thing happened. That's not. Then they'll come and explain to teach you school. No. I taught you. I heard. And told you ahead, said this is how our prophecies they work. I am not predicting, I'm prophesying. There are conditions to the game. This is how it is. And then I told you Akesefo has done what? Has come. Now I will show you the Akesefo. No, I will show you right now. But I can show you on my phone. But then I'll show you the Akesefo. Don't say the world want to see. When we are done with the work, I will show you the Akesefo. In real life, so everybody knows the Akesefo. Those that were there, they know the Akesefo. We are manipulating this. So
Akesefo ne bi mo sa. I was stadium.
Obiasa. Everyone was dancing. So, so people have come to. They came. I told when they came. What did I do? I rushed out. I was like, hey, I guess first come to me. This is what we are doing. The match that is there now. The numbers of the football match is on my bathroom mirror. Yeah. There's no way to change it. It's not even easy. Even last week Friday, I said that numbers. It's so difficult to turn the numbers, to change the numbers. Cannot change the numbers, but what we can do is that we can turn the numbers to ourselves. So we go here, they come here. We can turn it. We cannot change it easily. We can turn it. The numbers are difficult because I've inscribed it over there. They can turn. Now, number 2. Once I decree that kind of prophetic decree, at that time, people are already racing with the 2. Those people that don't follow us, also they see a short clip of me saying we'll colonize England. Then there's another clip of me saying, we'll go and then we'll come back. They will not ask that what is the cause? Because in every cause there's an effect. Okay. So there's always a need for a cause. What caused the middle line? What caused the whole problem? What's going on there? So the law of causality has to come into play. So what caused before the prophet said this and later, then they are saying that because they have done this, they are changed. They didn't listen to the part where I said, if you don't touch anything. No. They didn't listen to the catalyst part. They just care about, he said this, now he's saying it. No, you have to, this is logic, common sense. You have to understand the law of causality. If a car is heading towards like the law of inertia, if a trajectory is set on a missile and the missile is set to hit a country and the missile is maintaining its trajectory and an interceptor goes to hit the missile, the question you will ask is that what happened? Something else had to redirect the missile or hit the missile to end the operation, which means that that catalyst was breached. We've explained this a long time ago. I've explained days. I mean, I teaching crowd. Sorry, I'm done with it. Then we go to the next stage of operation. The next stage of operation is where we heard the line 1-0, 0-0, 1-0, and the statement was to turn the numbers. To turn the numbers.
1-0, 0-0, no 1-0, no. Not originally, no. It was against Ghana.
Yes. And I told you, sir, I've kept it.
You can turn.
We can't change the numbers, but we can turn. I've said it. So everywhere I go and say, I've said it here. I'm going to say it at Romeo. I've said it everywhere I sit to do an interview. We turn the numbers. That's what. Because that's what Akesefo told me. I told them, plainly that numbers not be there inscribed will be back from home. I've written it down. I've said the numbers. Numbers, to go about changing numbers, it's not even an ordinary joke. So what can be done is that, say we are losing on the side, we can turn it to our favor. Okay. We can turn the numbers to our favor. Now, basically, and I told you that this is the experiment, it will be done vividly. When we do it, we'll wake the phoenix again. Okay. That's before the Panama match. I told you that. Watch the show. Exactly. Bam, Panama 1-0. I came back and said, you see, the bathroom, you see what I mean? Yes, clearly. No, those that follow me, they just understood what we are doing. Those that don't follow me, they pick a clip and they don't get what we mean. Because we are free baby, na echo baby.
Exactly.
I'm sorry one day, then we just said, no, we free baby. So now we are working. Everybody understands the whole thing. Everybody understands it too. Once you follow me, that's why I tell people that don't go listening to what I have said from another person. I am here. I am live.
Exactly.
My prophecies are not hidden. You could have watched me live and keep the clip. You don't need another person to come and tell you what I have said. I have said it right here. It is in front of me. My videos are there. The live video is there. Yeah. It is there. People will you post it. Everybody. Exactly. Why don't they take the information from there? Why would they want to go and pick a clip from somewhere to misinform people? Now let's go forward. I believe that, do you know why I laugh? Because everybody understands the thing.
Yes.
But then there is some people that they refuse to get the thing. They're like, no. Or can I say? I say, I'm like, no. And I saw a video literally. Somebody was like, oh, I said that there is a player. And then that's why I was talking to these people. Say, I said that, maybe I always say, when are you number 4? I'm number 4. No, not 4. Like that's the question I asked. Okay. As I don't know every footballer. He's a footballer. Oh, so wow. I asked him. He said, who become the number 4? No. He said that player decline rights. Yeah. And I was like, no. But you know, in the church, I wanted to say like, and you know, maybe because I stopped.
Okay.
At one point, because later I asked him, who is the number? Because in the formation, the declaration is a midfielder, not a defender. I'm talking about defenders, 4-5, that 4 and 5, those two players, whoever is playing 4 and 5, those defense, that 4, no, your boy, because it's two angles. Exactly. Once a year, share football match, no. So in the formation, say, be right, I bet because it's number 4 or left or number 5. That's how because we played a little bit of football, so we know when the switches or where the positioning is, one or two things. And see, in that angle, why is he telling me another player's name? I'm not talking about jersey number, because me when I'm talking about jersey number, I'm precise. Like the way I will be tackling, will be booning, and see the player will be wearing jersey number. I'll be direct with you. I won't go this thing. But me besides, who is the this? Me can't wear there because if the person is not, me can't defend us. They go and send me to midfielders. It is different from defenders. But then let's put it aside. So you see that it was their same defenders that are going to give us penalty that they did not take. Because that corner, that one was catalysts. That was in the old prophecy before the breach. We were trying to enact it. But you see, when you breach prophecies or catalysts, it's not a joke. I made it clear to you. Well, you see, this is not even new. Just go and play the old videos. Let's enjoy the videos. It's just simple. Like, the one thing I like is I like people to study me like a book. Exactly. Research it. When you watch the videos, you yourself, you understand. You just use logic to watch the video. This is not, we are not doing a critical spiritual or anything. Logic. Watch the video. When you finish, come back. It's simple. Now, we go forward the next thing. 1000, we've enacted it. That's the final statement. It's there. I went back again. You even ask me sometimes, say, England, say, when you colonize them, I said, don't worry, we'll colonize them. We'll colonize them. Because everybody was thinking, say, we were going to lose. I said, no. We'll colonize them. And I go, yeah, no, we'll colonize them. We've succeeded.
Jai because of
exactly. Because if you also mean Jai, but we have to colonize them. When we have colonized them, we have finished colonizing them. Now we move to the next stage, and that's the most important. But let's come back to this one. So now 100010, precisely the same way it is written in front of the bathroom. The bathroom is not just 10. It started from the 2-1. So I told you the 2-1 is written. So I told you everybody was from the friendly matches. The numbers are already written there. It's been there since day one. It has never changed. It has been there. And I said, even last Friday before this match, I said, match is no. To turn the positions is simple, but to erase what is on my bathroom, it's not a joke. Me, I'm like a student of the prophetic. I try to see if I've literally done an audio that, okay, let's see how it goes. If it is possible, we can change the numbers and see if we can temper with numbers, not with switching teams. All these things I've done, they try to put this there. But then the principle is that sometimes it is not a joke. As I've said it to you, it is clearly what it is by the grace of God. 100010. The fulfillment of the prophecy is very clear. Now people went to pick. I saw someone picking and then trying to make or see England say, and there's a difference between you following me. That's why I told every one of my followers. I say, follow me. I said that because I know I said, me see somebody will lose an election in 2028. From that day, like there's like you can see that there's a clear agenda. People are like pushing. He has to fall. He has to calm down. Somebody has to fail. Say professor no or kana 99 po no see nipa 11 be share white. Na back one share pink. Ewo mu na nipa no go share pink no or share blue kakra na pink kakra wa na share pink and na blue kakra line fire. Mama say ya nyano ono ni you fairly one blue pink no can once a blue and you complete pink. Wa fairly they are waiting for you. From that moment I realized that pressure was coming. So I started earlier. Follow me. Don't follow anybody about me. Follow me. It's simple. If you follow me, you would have heard the word from the horse's own mouth. So you know and watch misdirection. Now let me give you two scenarios. There is one man that was saying something or posted on the channel or draw in the caption vividly that this prediction is from our channel. And I'll predict it. Now, so me picture not to, and I'll bomb me worship, no like me singing behind it. Obadiah, they say people are the false prophet. You said 2-1, it did not happen. Yeah. And then now the people are explaining that my brother, didn't you read? The channel said this, their prediction, not the prophet's prediction. They don't listen. Then you have another person saying 4-1. Someone said, I said 4-1. I've not said any 4-1 anywhere. But somebody said, because somebody is posting, like, or no, so Nijidie, no. I know how family will nobody say, oh, I'm the icon of the prophetic for them. So they will just put my face there and then put a number there, hoping that something will happen. Me, what I have never said with my mouth, I will never take praise for it. Exactly. What I've never said with my mouth, I'll never take fall for it. You have to follow that line. If me right now, if me can say, England will score Ghana 1-0. And not 2-0 in my statement. And I'll just come to him like, Maza, me see England best score 1-0. Don't worry. It didn't go according to plan. Maybe that day, maybe Amanda I was not okay. Maybe I saw something, I couldn't interpret it well. Yeah. Maybe I couldn't put thoughts together well. Sometimes I was at an interview, I remember one day I was talking about T-Region or something, and I was speaking about, and during the interview there was distraction. There was a man that even came into the interview. Yeah. I was so distracted. A lot of people were complaining online that today you don't look good well at all. It's like you are not really happy. Not that because they were distracted, not bloom. Somebody's at the back. There are some students that has to come inside. Like you don't do prophetic like that. Even when you are at their mood, nobody should be moving around by heart because they will take you off. So I have to be focused and maintain my trajectory.